Hello and welcome to this new episode of my finished projects. In this video I'm going to show you this doily I made. A close-up of the center. This designer is very talented. Look, so pretty. Look at those little details right there. The edging. I made it in two different colors. This one I made it with thread 10 and 1.90 millimeter hook. Let me show you how much it measures, and I will compare it to the one that I made with 1.65 millimeter hook. It measures about 15 inches, 14.5 to 15, or 37 centimeters. And let me show you the one that I made with 1.65 millimeters. Okay, so but first let me show you the back, how it looks like, the edging. Okay, now let me go to the next one. Okay. It's the same pattern, and look how different it looks in another color. This color looks very romantic, antique. The name of the color I believe is antique. Looks very different with a different thread. The difference in the size compared to the other one that I made with 190. This is 11.5 inches or 29.5 centimeters. Same thread. The edging, the little detail that I love so much. Hard work but worth it. The back, and let me compare it with the other one. Okay. You can see it looks more open on the 190 millimeter hook, and I'm gonna put the one on the top so you can see. Look at the difference in the size. They look like two different doilies. And the same thread, different color, they do look really different. You can choose if you want to make it. As I said, I use thread 10 in both of them. The name of the pattern and the designer, Patricia Kristoffersen, and it's Irene Remastered. I always write it down because in case I don't pronounce it right, you can look it up. I bought it on Ravelry. I'm not advertising for the designer. I only show you what I make. If you want to make it yourself, you can go and buy your pattern. I hope you like as much as I do, and thank you for visiting. See you in my next video.